Hello, myself Gyas, aptitude trainer at SP Global Solution branch Hyderabad. Today I am just explaining an important technique of profit and loss, technique number 2. Just see the question. The question is what? Umar takes a loan from Venkatesh for 2 years at 5% per annum at a simple interest. After which Umar gave rupees 6,600 to Venkatesh as a final amount, final settlement. Then calculate the total paid interest. So this is a very important or tricky question. So at first you see what is the smart way to solve this question. So at first what is given? That is time t is given. Here time t 2 years is given. Okay. Now rate of simple interest is given. R is given 5%. And this Umar paid 6,600 as his full settlement. So this is amount is given. Okay. So we have to find what? That is calculate the total paid interest. That means you have to find simple interest. We have to find simple interest. Okay. So this is the question where time is given, rate of simple interest is given, and amount is given. We have to find simple interest. So a smart way and technical method is what? You have to formula that is simple interest equal to A multiply R multiply T upon 100 plus RT. This is the technique when amount is given, rate of simple interest is given, time is given, and this. So you can find simple interest. So here what is amount? Amount is given 6,600. Multiply. What is rate? 5. And what is time? Time is given 2 years. So this is 2. Again this is 100 plus R is given what? 5 and time is given 2. So this is 6,600 into 10 upon 100 plus 10, that is 110. So 1 0 is cancelled out, 11 6 are 66, this is 60. So this is 60 multiplied 10 is what? 100. 100 is your correct answer in a simple step. Simple interest is what? A into R into T by 100 plus RT. So when your amount is given, rate of simple interest is given, time period given, you just apply this technique ART upon 100 plus RT. But if you want to solve this question by a basic method, then what will be the answer? Answer will be the same, but how? You see here. So you know amount is given, and we know by basic that is principal plus interest is what? That is amount. Okay. So principal is not known. So suppose this is P. Now interest, you know interest is P multiply R multiply T by 100. So P is P and rate is given what? That is 5. Time is given what? 2 years upon 100. So this is principal and this is rate. So principal plus interest equal to amount, and this amount is given 6,600, right? So this is 5 2s are 10, that is 20, and 2 1s are 10, that is 10. Okay, so this is what? P into R is given 5 and T is 2 and upon 100. So 5 2s are 10, 20, 10, 10. So P plus 5 by 10. If we solve this just like this is P plus P upon 10. So here 1, and this is given what? 6,600. Okay, so if you take the LCM 10, so 10P plus P, this is 10P plus P upon 10, and this equal to what? 6,600. So this is 11P. 11P upon 10 equal to what? 6,600. So P equal to what? This is 11 upon TP this. So when 11 by 10 go right side, so it will be reciprocal. So this is 6,600 into 10 upon 11. 11 6 are 66. So this is 600. 600 into 10, that is 6,000. Now we get principal 6,000 and we already know amount is 6,600. So we have to find simple interest. Simple interest is what? Amount minus P. Amount is 6,600 minus 6000. So your answer is what? 600. So this answer is 600 and here answer is 600. But you see, in this basic method we take a lot of time. But for the smart method, that use formula ART upon 100 plus RT, your answer will be correct.